Our wars used to be fought on foot, but then we harnessed horses for battle. Swords were a weapon of choice until guns were invented, chariots slowly evolved into tanks, and in less than 100 years, this turned into this. But the change that's now underway will be the most significant in human history.
The drones, they started out being surveillance equipment, and then somebody, figured out that if you put a couple of Hellfire missiles on them, you could whack people.
There are basically two things which grow in parallel as society evolves, right? There is the power of our technology, and then there is the wisdom of us humans for how to manage the technology. If the technology grows faster than the wisdom, it's kind of like going into kindergarten and giving them a bunch of hand grenades to play with.
I'm not necessarily proud of, my participation in the drone program. 8 hours a day, 7 days a week. I would sit in front of monitors and monitor up to 16 drone feeds at once, and I would report significant activity. But all we could see was heat signatures that were suspicious or were running around or whatever. You can have a suspected Taliban meeting spot. A drone will observe it, see this suspected meeting is taking place. It may not be a meeting. It may just be a freaking potluck. Hellfire is launched, takes out, 20, 30 people in that.
The United States has never met anything in its military arsenal that it did not want to weaponize. So to say that you have this 6'6" robot who they are working feverishly to make more mobile, to not be still tethered to the cord, etc., etc., you're going to tell me that they're not going to put machine guns on that guy and send him into urban warfare?